Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will explain how to handle unmuting participants within Google Meet. If you try to unmute another person directly, you will notice it is not possible. This is because Google has implemented privacy safeguards that give each individual full control over their own microphone, meaning there is no secret method to unmute them remotely. Since you cannot do it directly, here are several effective workarounds. First, try using the built-in chat. Send a quick message like, "You are currently muted, please turn on your mic," to grab their attention. Second, use a visual cue. If your camera is active, simply point toward your microphone. This gesture is often the quickest way to alert someone in a group setting. Third, if you are the meeting host, make a verbal announcement. You might say, "It looks like your mic is off. Please click the microphone icon at the bottom of your screen." This usually gets a fast response. Fourth, utilize the raise hand feature. Ask the person to use this tool when they are ready to talk, which serves as a clear signal for you to prompt them to unmute. Once they click it, you will see the notification and can invite them to speak. Finally, you can always send a direct message through a different platform if needed. I hope these tips prove useful for your next meeting. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.